Welcome back, guys, to another video of my Silverado 5.3 cam build. What I'm gonna attempt today is to install my efans. I tried to do it on the previous video, but I couldn't because I got in the wrong radiator. So now I got the 34, so it should go in smoother than the last time. The other one, I don't know. I mean, it didn't work obviously because this radiator is for the clutch fan for the guys that have the clutch fan. Well, I took off the clutch fan so I could put the efans so I could get better performance, I guess. So yeah, let's just start building it. I already had started taking it off, so it won't take that much time. I mean, it's easy. You're just taking off the two bolts, 1, 2. Then it's gonna be your radiator connections right here, which is not your radiator, your transmission cooling lines is 1, 2, which I have them right here, and your little water is 2 water radiator little hoses, and obviously your 2 hoses, your upper and your lower. Just slide it out. Here goes the other one. This one I bought it in OfferUp. I believe it's OfferUp, yeah. Bought it from this guy. I'm hoping it's good. I mean, he said it was, but you never know. Make sure you have everything out the way. I mean, it should just slide in. I need the bushings. Make sure you put them back on. I was like, what the hell? But yeah. I ain't no professional by no means. I just try my best. Si jala, si no, we do it again. Well, as you saw, on this side, there's the AC condenser. It was like the fitting where the AC goes in. It was like pushed in, so I had to move it out a little bit. I don't know if your truck is gonna be the same, but I had to like adjust it this way. So I'm hoping that my AC don't leak, but if it does, we'll just buy a new condenser and install it. But I had to move it a little bit. I don't know. Hopefully it don't leak. When I installed the radiator, I mean, it was just a little. I just had to like finesse it a little bit, but I mean, it's in there now. It's in there now. So now I can actually put in my efans. Let me go get them. then another tip, I mean, if you're at the junkyard or wherever you got the efans, make sure that you get your bolts, because you're gonna need another set just like these to put here. I don't have them because the guy that I got it from didn't have them. But if you get it at a junkyard or something, make sure you take them with you because you're gonna need them. See, because now I'm stuck without them. I'm gonna see if I have something to install here to keep them there, so keep them secure, and I can move on. I found me some bolts there that'll work. I mean, not gonna be the prettiest, but who's really gonna be looking under your engine? I mean, I'm not gonna be showing nobody my engine or what I'm doing. I'm not going. I mean, yeah, you want it to look a little pretty and whatever, make it look nice, but I mean, it's a truck, you know. But maybe later on we'll be worried about making it look nice. Right now, I just want to make it run. I've been having this truck just sitting here collecting dust because I work out of town. I don't work here. I mean, I'm from Houston. Well, I live in Pasadena, but it's like I'm never home, so I hardly have time to be working on my stuff, on my truck. But I mean, it's just something I like doing. But gotta go work. Gotta go make money, pay my bills, and support my little habit. So there it is, guys. There goes the efans. I mean, it's in there. It ain't going nowhere. Make sure it ain't going nowhere. All we have now is the wires. And they're right here. Connectors. One. Two. And our ground. Our ground, I'm gonna put it under the chassis. That's where I'm gonna install mine. I mean, everybody's different. Everybody just finds a spot and then say, yeah, that's a ground. But the true place for it, it's under the chassis. So that's where I'm gonna put it. And that's where I'm gonna install it. And same thing with the power. A lot of people put it here on the little red box, but I put it in by the fuse box. And now I'm just gonna install all the hoses on the side. Install the hose, the upper hose. That's that. Okay, so now I'm gonna install the bottom radiator hose. Should be easy with this tool. I mean, I really recommend it if you don't have it. It makes everything work like easier if you just get one. Now I'm gonna install the upper. Slide it all the way in. Just tighten it up. This is another. I mean, it don't matter. I'll do it with the screwdriver. It's on top. The hard ones are on the bottom because everything's there. So, yeah, that's that. It's missing the clip right here. It's like it holds it, like it pretty much holds it so it won't slip under, but I don't think this hose is ever gonna slip. So, I mean, you can put it or not. I might get it, but I might just leave it like that. I mean, I don't think it's gonna hurt anything if I leave it like that. I have the wrong hose at the bottom. I need the one with the Y to hit the reservoir and the water pump, not the water pump, but the water pump and the bottom of the radiator. So I need to change that in a later date. But right now I'm not gonna have the time to do it. Now I just need to install the transmission cooling lines and this water, whatever it is, vapor, water. I think it's the vapor. It goes to the throttle body. I just need to connect that too. So let me just do that. And that's that. Everything's installed. And I got the hoses in. Got all the radiator hoses, which is the reservoir, return. I have the vapor one. The upper, the lower, and the efans, and the new radiator. Well, new to me. That's it for this video. I mean, gotta go to work. When I come back on my next break, hopefully I'll get to upload another video, and it would be, the next video is gonna be the, what else do I need? I need to buy just the hose, the little filter, and the connector muffler. And obviously I'm gonna drop the trucks. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Either, what is it, 4.6 or 4.8? I don't know. 5.8, not 4.8. 5.8, 5.6, something. It's gonna be something. So yeah. So hopefully I have patience and wait for me, watch the videos, and alright, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see more, I guess hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and like the video. Thanks.